Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're at Penrith again. It's only going to be a short video today, but there will be other trains at Penrith in the few days coming. It will be on Monday. (397,006). Now passing is 397,006. Train now coming in is the 1804 Avanti West Coast, plain livery. Unfortunately, it's the only plain. It's the plain livery, not the pretty livery, or the new Avanti West Coast livery. It is. The number is 390157. Right there. Oh, stopped. Good. Now passing is the Avanti West Coast off to London Euston. So there should be a Penrith Express within crew shortly. When I say shortly, I mean like in a minute. Penrith Express now. Oh, I forgot to look at the number. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I'll put the number on screen down below.